Manufacturers looking for perfect edges and unblemished surfaces on the metal parts they produce can achieve this perfection with a Weber grinding machine. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. Anyone cutting or punching metal will know that even though the quality of processed parts has improved in recent years, they still don't have the perfect edges or completely unblemished surfaces. Weber's grinding and deburring machines feature customisable multi-stage processing to break down burrs, round off edges and give a brilliant surface finish. The range includes machines for finishing all types of punched and cut components. They can even remove sharp edges from film-protected parts and keep the film intact. Applied Machinery is the exclusive Australian distributor for Weber metal grinding machines in Australia and has a showroom machine in stock in Dandenong. To find out more about this precision German technology, call Applied Machinery on 039706 8066 or visit all the W's appliedmachinery.com.au. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.